Damn, I gotta put on some YouTube. I'm bored as fuck, man. I'm a freak, man, for real. What the hell is this? Nah, this gotta be some kind of mistake. Like, that's just gotta be like the intro, right? I mean, you just fast forward it. Oh my god. This is the worst thing I've heard in my life. I think I'm gonna puke. Where's the bucket? I gotta.
He needs some milk. They got milk. I know.
You know what? I'm impressed. I've been on the search for the worst. As a single piece of music, I'd say this gotta be one of them ones. You know what I'm saying? It's like one of the worst shit. I've been looking around shop, man, and I say it's kind of tight. But I'm not trying to tread old ground, man. People ain't agree with me on that. It's cool. So I decided to clap my cheeks with something worse. Okay, so this is how I'ma sample it. I'm gonna put it in Edison and fucking. I'm just gonna do this method. I did it on the Lil B video. That's a good one. I'm just gonna click around on this shit and click around on this shit. I'ma just see if I could come up with something because there's no detectable BPM, and even if there is, I don't care. Oh wow, that's actually kind of good. I think I can work with this shit. I don't know why I sampled it like this instead of this, but I don't even care, you know what I'm saying? It's not a big deal. I was probably just fucking totally stoned, bro. Oh, hell yeah. Nice, so I can hear this melody and shit. I'm gonna transcribe it with the M1 because it's all like loud and shit. Fucky. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna cook up some of these real man's drums. But I gotta mute this shit, man. It's too bad. Let me just put like 1,000 million like sounds and shit on it, cause you know what I'm saying. I've been making beats since 2011. That's how we used to get down and shit.
Bruh.
I'm whipping out the Nexus. As long as you turn the shit down, like really down, you EQ everything. I'm horrible at mixing. I don't care, but it's like I've been learning about pockets and shit, so. I'm gonna arrange everything, right? Make it all nice and fancy and shit. Like, there it is, you know what I'm saying? And there you go, bada bing, bada boom.